We spoke to Galdek Dak, Dr. Riek Machar's spokesman, a while back, and we began by asking him about Riek Machar's whereabouts.
Well, I cannot confirm the number of days. It will depend on how long he wants to be there, but his condition is improving from the swollen leg and also from the exhaustion for walking for 40 days.
Do we know where he will be heading to thereafter?
Well, he wants to visit a number of regional countries, IGAD member states, and Kenya will be one, Ethiopia will be one, but I don't know which country will visit first after Khartoum. This is yet to be known in the next few days.
And you have come out very strongly criticizing U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry's recent sentiments on Riek Machar's role in the unity government moving forward. What is Dr. Riek Machar's position on this and his plans moving forward?
Well, it is unfortunate that John Kerry made that remark, which actually was approving the legal action in Juba by President Salva Kiir, because the replacement of Dr. Riek Machar was a violation of the peace agreement, Article 6.5 of the peace agreement, and it was not an internal process within the SPLM-IO party, because only 5 officials were involved in the conspiracy to replace Dr. Riek Machar, while we have institutions which include the Political Bureau, which has over 20 members, and we have the National Liberation Council, which has hundreds of members. These bodies do not sit to discuss whether there was need to replace Dr. Riek Machar. It was an illegal action, conspiracy to scrap the provisions of the peace agreement. So for John Kerry to say that it was okay for that illegal action was unfortunate, because it is also against the resolution of IGAD, which has criticized the illegal replacement in Juba, and also the United Nations Security Council passed a resolution calling that action inconsistent with the peace agreement. So we take it as if John Kerry was, uttering his own opinion against the resolutions of regional and international bodies and against the peace agreement.